400-year-old Santa Fe is called the City Different for an assortment of reasons. Its distinctive adobe architecture, cultural identity, art scene, and dining with over 400 restaurants. The town has plenty to do. But why not try a couple of interactive activities as well, including pottery and a cooking class. JauntTV learned the intricacies of making traditional tamales at the Santa Fe School of Cooking in a 3-hour class. To highlight 3 different tamale-making techniques, we participated in preparing red chili and pork tamales, Southern Mexico-style chicken tamales in banana leaves, and blue corn tamales with calabacitas, which is a squash filling, all accompanied by an authentic New Mexican red chili sauce. Many of the same ingredients are used in New Mexican recipes, such as onions, garlic, chilies, and tomatoes, so our group took task at chopping the basics as well as preparing the necessary ingredients for the different types of tamales. We learned how to make masa, which uses masa harissa, lard or shortening, salt, and usually chicken broth or water. Assembly requires putting 1 or 2 tablespoons of prepared masa in the softened corn husk and spread into a rectangle with several teaspoons of the filling down the center of the masa. Fold one side of the corn husk over the filling. Fold the opposite side of the folded side. With a piece of corn husk, secure the tamale by tying both ends or folding both ends of the tamale and tying in the center. Cooking requires steaming in 2 to 3 inches of water. Put a pebble on the bottom to make sure you haven't run out of water. Steam for 45 to 50 minutes until they're firm to the touch, and the husk easily peels away from the masa. Let them rest for 5 minutes. The best part? We got to dig in and enjoy the fruits of our labor.